belongs to Daddy. And if I invite a voice of night to deal my fine feeling happy, then just a toy is escape from all, 'cause my heart belongs to Daddy. Yes, my heart belongs to Daddy, and I simply can't be back. Yes, my heart belongs to Daddy. Yeah. And I want another Daddy, 'cause I know you're everything. So I see my heart belongs to Daddy, 'cause my Daddy, he treats me so well.